Good morning from a beautiful day in Patagonia. This is Puerto Natales. It is windy and raining. Luckily for me, I've got this Drifa gear. Thank you again to you guys. Huge shout out to Drifa. This stuff is perfect for this weather. Also got the whole crew out. How awesome is that? These guys are super hardcore. Come out in really pretty bad weather to see what they can do, get the shot, test the gear, and this is what it's all about. You know, I love this kind of stuff. So Patagonia, this is day number 2 and we are heading into Argentina, El Calafate. Let's go. And the light has completely popped this morning. What do you think, Carlos? Come on.
Yeah, it's awesome. It's awesome.
Amazing, huh? So good to see.
Unexpected.
Yeah, just when you think it's not going to be very good, you know, the clouds move off. It's Patagonia. The wind's absolutely hectic, and the light pops. We get some amazing images.
Hopefully.
Yeah. Well, I didn't. These guys probably did, but wow, that was amazing.
Driving rain and snow to beautiful, beautiful colour in the sky, and now we have awesome light just creeping down the jetty. And really, the trip hasn't even started. We're not even in the national park.
We have just made it through the Chilean side of the border. Well done, guys.
Yeah.
Awesome. Next up is Argentina. The weather's crap, but hopefully it'll be better in El Calafate. We've made it to Argentina. Awesome. Very, very excited to be back. It's been a little while. I absolutely love this country. I spent a lot of time here when I was tour leading, and yeah, it's going to be great. So up next is El Calafate, and hopefully the weather will get a bit better. What do you think?
El Calafate. I was like, you can't keep doing this to me.
Let's go.
I have like 3 shots that I can use. That's fine. My remote control battery's on 8%, so I gotta let it go.
Our journey continues here in the Argentine side of Patagonia. This place is amazing. We have entered sort of the heart of the Patagonian steppe. It is super barren. You can see as far as possible onto the horizon. We finally got some really nice weather here. So yeah, smooth sailing. And very cool to be in the car with Thomas Heaton. Thomas Heaton has been riding with me because Brendan is driving the other vehicle, and it's been amazing to talk to him about his YouTube channel and his experience managing his content, and being able to share a lot of tips and ideas about how I can, you know, evolve my channel and create a stronger community with you, and share more about this lifestyle and about travel videography and being on assignment and being able to find work. And that's just really great. Honestly, it's really cool to be traveling with both Brendan and Thomas Heaton. So if you don't know who Thomas Heaton is, be sure to go and check out his channel. He is a UK-based landscape photographer, extremely talented guy, and I'm feeling humbled to be able to travel with him and to speak to him in person for such a long time. It's great. So yeah, that's my little spiel, and now it's time to get back on the road. We made it! El Calafate, 4 and a bit hours of driving, done! Yeah! So, got a couple of hours to sort out the hotel rooms, and then we're gonna head out for sunset shooting at a marshland on Lago Argentino. So I believe I'm getting slightly confused with all the footage that I've been filming here, and I'm not sure if I actually signed off this video. So I'm gonna do that right now. This is the next day at Puerto Natales Glacier, but what we just filmed coming into Argentina was fantastic. Very, very cool to cross the Chilean border and see all that snow, and just had an amazing day. So I hope you liked the video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we will definitely see you on the next one, because it's happening right now in Argentina, Patagonia.